In this video, I want to show you how to turn on and off silent mode on your iPhone 16e. To do that, drag down from the top right corner of your display. And from here, you should see this icon. It's a bell. When the bell is red with a bar over it, it means that the phone is currently in silent mode. If you tap on this logo, you'll put silent mode off and you're going to get a confirmation on the top. Take a look, silent mode on, silent mode off. If you do not see the bell, you can press the plus icon, add control, and then over here in search, simply type silent mode and you're going to see the icon. Tap on it and you'll be able to place it anywhere. And on top of that, if it's a feature that you're going to use often, you can also, by dragging the corner of the icon, make the icon much larger, as you see. Oops, let me move it around. Here we go. Let's say I want it there. And now your silent mode button is huge and it's easy to access. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.